Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you love coloring books and things that are a little creepy crawly, you're gonna love this one.
This is a Goblincore coloring book, and I really think it is the most beautiful coloring book I have ever seen. It is super unique, and what I really appreciate about it is how it has this really high quality bleed through free paper. And that means you can use any kind of media you want to color in here. So it's perfect for colored pencils, for crayons, for all kinds of markers. And I just really love how unique every single page is. I love things like moths and mushrooms and snails. And I really think this is such a beautiful coloring book and is so satisfying. I just can't get over how well these pages do not bleed through. They are so nice and thick, and you don't have to worry about ruining the coloring on the next side if you choose to use a marker.
If you're looking for a unique coloring book that is super high quality, I highly recommend this one. And that's my point of view.